What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we have a review on my Stanley rolling tool chest. Rolls very nicely. And pretty big wheels. So I picked this up from Home Depot. Come over here. It's 3-in-1. These all come apart. And right here shows how you would, when you want to roll it, you pick this handle up, and you put it down, and roll it. Boom, hear that click. And then you pull it up, put this down, and now you got your handle to pull it up. So it has 2 compartments on the side. One is for my, just some miscellaneous, what are they called? Wrenches. Just a little way, just electric. A little level too. And I got a Sharpie and a pencil here. Some miscellaneous stuff. Over here is my drill bits. Phillips, flathead, and then the star type ones. Let's set it up. And we open this up. This is very messy. Right here are all my tools. I love tools. I always collect them because I love like tinkering, screwdrivers, vice grip, wire cutters, spackles, pliers, tape measures, a hinge here. I don't know why, but I have a hinge here. So yeah, close this up, latch it in. But yeah, if you really wanted to, you could put a lock here. So you don't get in here. And then if you come over here, there are these 2 side things. And what you do is you pull them out. It's identical on the other side. And then you can pull your handle up. And boom, it comes off. This is acts as a toolbox. Right here, a nice handle. So here, nice handle here. I have WD-40, Ace, Phillips metal screws, a pencil sharpener, just some tape measures, miscellaneous box of just random stuff. This is for it's vibrating for like cleaning. I use that on machines and stuff. And this is all messy. Drill bits. It's very messy. Oh my god, can I even close it, guys? There we go. Okay. You got your convenient little handle here. You pull this out. This is the final level here. So here, this is my Hyper Tough little drill. Craftsman. It's a plug-in, one-way drill. And then this is my first drill, a Black & Decker lithium 20 volt. And then here we just got some gloves. And then these are the suspenders for my Husky tool belt. I also have a Husky tool bag. And then, as well as, I also have a Ryobi, say, driver impact. So, yeah, step back. You can see all of the 3 bits come apart. I'm gonna put it back together.
And while you're doing that, I have a question for you. So, would you recommend this to anybody who's looking for a new toolbox or who has an old one and needs a new one?
I would definitely recommend this. I picked it up in Home Depot. It's $40. It's great. I love it. It holds all my tools. I have a lot of tools. I love building things and tinkering things. As well as I do lawn care, so things break. So,
comment down below any other questions you guys have about this toolbox.
So yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you find yourself getting one of these at Home Depot. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye.